How to deactivate your TikTok account. First, open the TikTok app and make sure that you're already logged in. Next is tap the three lines at the top right corner and choose Settings and Privacy. Choose the account option. At the very bottom, you can see the deactivate or delete account. Tap that. After you tap that, you'll be provided with two options. Select Deactivate Account. You will see the information that's going to happen after you deactivate your account. TikTok will send a verification code to the email that is linked to your TikTok account. Copy that code that is sent to your email and type it on the space provided. Once you're done, click the Deactivate account. Confirm by pressing the Deactivate button. And then you're done.